This is the practice test for measurements, and here we're looking at problem number 8. And the problem says a court reporter is transcribing an accident report from Germany. The report states that the driver was traveling 128 kilometers per hour. How many miles per hour was the driver traveling? So what we need to do in this problem is to convert the kilometers to miles, and that will change the kilometers per hour into miles per hour. So kilometers is a metric unit of measure, miles is a US unit of measure, and we want to find a formula to do the conversion. So we go over to our measurement sheet, and we are converting between metric and US, and we're dealing with length in this problem, so we want to find a formula that goes from miles to kilometers, and we have one right here. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers, and that would be the formula that we're going to use in our problem. And we want to set that formula up as a ratio here of 1 mile over 1.6 kilometers. We're going to solve the problem using proportions. And so on the right-hand side of the proportion, we are given 128 kilometers. We're going to put that on the bottom because we have kilometers on the bottom over here. And then we are going to solve for the number of miles, which is on the top. And we need to set up the proportion in this way with the miles on the top on both sides, the kilometers on the bottom on both sides. Once we have the proportions set up, we look for the two numbers across from one another, the 1 and the 128, and we multiply those two numbers, and then we always divide by the leftover number. And when we do that, we end up with 80 miles, and that is going to be 80 miles per hour in this problem. 128 kilometers is equal to 80 miles, and so 128 kilometers per hour is equal to 80 miles per hour.